To identify your Harley, your small lightweight, you're going to notice on the front of your engine you have a raised square boss that's on the front of the engine. And on it, at the very beginning, close to the bottom, you're going to see two numbers. That's going to be the year that the bike was made. The letter that you see afterwards is going to be the model number. In this case, it says 50, and then it has the letter S. So it's a 1950 Model S. And then there's 4 serial numbers after the letter S. I have 3 of them covered up. But you'll notice that those numbers there are going to be the actual serial number. Now anywhere else on the bike, whether it's on a frame or anywhere else, that's not how you identify the model and the year. The only way you can identify it is on the actual engine itself when it comes to a serial number.